Siguro nakita mo na tong mga artworks na to around Baguio. Mga illustrations that capture the heart of Cordilleran culture. Alam mo ba, si Tor Sagud ang artist behind these pieces? Isang proud Cordillera na ginagawang sining ang kanyang heritage para magkwento ng kultura. Dito sa Puerto Vaga, makikita mo ang mga illustrations ni Tor na ipinapakita ang ganda at pagkakaiba-iba ng mga Igorot people. Bawat isa ay kumakatawan sa 9 major ethno-linguistic groups ng Cordillera.
My upcoming books as well, we showcase the other 8 minor groups.
When we asked Tor about his roots, he said,
My origin is Sagada and Bisao from Mountain Province, but they were categorized as the Bago group, which is a mix of Ilocos and Cordillera.
Para kay Tor, bawat linya at kulay ay paraan para parangalan kung saan siya nagmula. Para sa kanya, ang art ay celebration, isang paraan para buhayin at ipagmalaki ang Cordillera identity.
I concentrated in Cordillera because I'm Cordilleran. We're trying to promote our culture as a nation using the Igorot culture in a simplified form.
Sa mga gawa ni Tor, makikita mo ang mga local stories ay deserve to be seen, shared, and celebrated. Isa rin siya sa gumawa ng Igorotak. Ibig sabihin, I am Igorot. Isang platform para mas makilala ng maraming tao ang kultura ng Cordillera.
That's why Studio Sagud is making lots of forms involving art and culture, mixing them up, doing experimentations. The critical point here is that we need to start with educating our native people on our culture.
At nung tinanong namin kung anong next, natawa lang siya at sabi niya,
Well, I can do a course. At least a guide na rin for your next one.
gusto mo bang makakita pa ng mga ganitong artworks? O hanap mo ay mga events, activities at best deals dito sa Baguio? Scan mo lang ang QR code and explore the city's creative side kasama ang Alam Mo Ba Baguio?
Alam mo ba Baguio?